your windshield wiper sounds like this, most people immediately replace their wiper blades. Others will grab a can of WD-40 because that's what they saw online. But before you spend any money, there's a reason I would never use WD-40 on wiper blades. And there's a simple test that you can tell whether your blades actually need replacing or not. But first, why I don't use WD-40. One of the most common suggestions you'll see online is spraying WD-40 on your wiper blades. The problem is that WD-40 isn't designed to condition rubber. It's primarily a water displacer and light lubricant. When you spray it on a wiper blade, it can leave a residue on the windshield, which will attract dirt and potentially accelerate deterioration of some rubber compounds over time. So while it might seem like it works temporarily, it's not something I recommend for maintaining wiper blades. So if WD-40 isn't the answer, why do wipers become noisy in the first place? Most people assume noisy wipers means worn out wipers. Sometimes that's true, but not always. In fact, I've seen plenty of blades that were still perfectly usable, but were making all kinds of noise because of contamination on either the rubber or the windshield itself. Think about everything that lands on your windshield over the course of a year. Road grime, dust, bug residue, car wash wax. Over time, that contamination builds up onto the glass. Then every time the wiper passes over it, friction increases and the blade starts behaving differently. That's why some people replace perfectly good wiper blades and still have noise afterwards. But before you grab any cleaning products, it's worth spending 30 seconds doing a quick visual inspection. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass and look at the rubber edge. Run your finger along it. A blade that still has life in it should feel smooth and slightly flexible. If it feels hard, brittle, or stiff, that rubber has dried out from UV exposure and age. Cleaning won't bring that back. If the blade passes the visual test, then cleaning has a real chance of fixing your noise problem. So let's figure out what to clean it with. I've got 3 paper towels here, and I'm going to clean a section of the blade with rubbing alcohol, a section with glass cleaner, and a section with vinegar. Then we'll see what comes off. The glass cleaner did a decent job, but depending on the cleaner, some can leave additives or a slight film. The vinegar worked, but it wasn't quite effective at removing oily residue. For me, rubbing alcohol is still the clear winner because it's inexpensive, evaporates quickly, removes oil effectively, and doesn't leave much residue behind. If you already have a glass cleaner handy, that's perfectly fine as well. And I'll have links in the description below of all of these products I talk about in this video. And while we're talking about cleaning, there's one step that most videos completely skip. If the windshield is dirty, you've only solved half of the problem. Something like Rain-X or even those automatic car wash leaves residue behind. In that case, a dedicated glass polish or a light pass with a clay bar can remove all that buildup. I know somebody's going to ask whether expensive wipers are actually worth the money versus just regular wipers that you can get at Costco. In my experience, better quality wipers generally use better rubber compounds. It holds up a little bit better to UV exposure and tends to maintain consistent contact with the windshield longer. For what it's worth, I've had good result with Bosch Icon and Rain-X Latitude beam blades in the mid-range. Both use a beam style design without the traditional frame, which means there are fewer pressure points to wear unevenly and no frame to collect ice and snow in the winter. So let me know in the comment section below if you've done this, if it worked, if it didn't work. What do you use that you might say works better than rubbing alcohol? And also, if you want to make your car a lot quieter without spending that much money, here's 8 ways right there. I think it's right there. 8 ways that works quite well. You'll enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, assuming you subscribed.